everyone. I'm going to take you to the front of my house. Come over with me. And right now, my daughter is filming me. This is the front of my house. I am going to show to you today different flowers and the name of those flowers. So the first one that I'm going to show you is this. Look at these beautiful flowers. And guess what? They're called Wisteria. Wow, with Wisteria. Isn't it all pretty? And as you all know, Wisteria starts with the sound wa. Wa. Look at how beautiful the weather is. It's kind of a little cloudy. And I'm going to take you now to the next flower that I have in my garden. And they're beautiful. Look at the color. And these are called Buganvilla. And it starts with the sound B. And guess what? It has thorns on it. I have to be so careful touching it. It starts with the sound B. B. And you all know how B looks like. B. Now let's go on to the back of my house again. Now we are at the back of my house. You're gonna see a beautiful orchid, and this is beautiful color. How pretty color it is. Look, it matches with my shirt, huh? And it begins with the sound O. Orchid. O. And O. This is O. I have two different orchids in my yard. Let me show you another beautiful color. Walk me again with me. Look at this color. How nice. Beautiful yellow color it is. These are also orchids. Starts with the sound O. Thank you for watching me. Bye everyone.